We are Mold Busters, the decontamination experts. Family operated and proudly Canadian. We have been fighting mold since 2005 in the provinces of Ontario and Quebec. We are certified mold inspectors, fully trained and highly experienced. Professional mold remediation and testing services for you. Over 15,800 air samples have been collected. Over 7,000 asbestos materials have been sampled. Over 15,000 inspections performed. With over 5,200 remediation projects completed, we are the pros. We are the mold removal experts, and we're here to help. Amazing customer service, affordable and thorough, fast turnaround times and detailed reports. Stellar results guaranteed every single time. Mold Busters is BBB accredited, insured, and RBQ licensed. Contact us 24/7. Call us now at 1-877-566-6653. Book us now. Same-day service is available. Mold Busters, improving quality of life through quality of service since 2005.